Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install Instagram app on your iPhone. So let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to just click on this App Store icon, which is this one. So just press on App Store icon, and here you need to go to the bottom right hand corner where you see the search option. So just press on this search option, which will allow you to search for the Instagram app. So just search for Instagram, and the top result here will be Instagram. So I'm going to just press on the Instagram option, and here you will be able to press on the get button. Now once you press on the get button, you need to verify with your Apple ID to install Instagram app on your iPhone. So just provide the password of your Apple ID, and once you have provided the password, just click on the sign in option, which is going to allow you to download Instagram app. So here you just need to double click on the side button in order to start the download. So you can see it's guiding us to double click the side button. So I'm going to just double click, and this will start the download of this Instagram app on my iPhone. So we will wait for the download to complete. So once this Instagram app is installed, you can just press on this open button in order to open the Instagram app. Now if you already have Facebook installed, you can directly sign in with your Facebook credentials in your Instagram app. Otherwise, just provide your login and password for your Instagram app and then continue. Now once you are logged in into your Instagram app, you might see this kind of notification which will ask you if Instagram app can send you notifications or not. I will just disallow it, so I will just press on don't allow for now. So let me press this don't allow option. So once you press this don't allow option, you will be able to use your Instagram app on your iPhone. So this is how you can download and install Instagram on your iPhone. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.